Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Apache server on VPS using SSL and Certbot, full guide step by step clearly. To connect to your Apache server on a VPS using SSL and Certbot, start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Open your terminal application. Use the SSH command followed by your username and the server's IP address. For example, type SSH your username at your server IP. Once connected, ensure your system is up to date. Run the command sudo apt update to refresh the package list. Next, install Apache if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install Apache 2 to install it. After installation, start the Apache service by running sudo system start Apache 2. To ensure it starts automatically on boot, run sudo system enable Apache 2. Next, install Certbot and the Apache plugin. Run the command sudo apt install Certbot Python 3 Certbot Apache. With the installation complete, it's time to obtain the SSL certificate. Use Certbot to automatically configure SSL by typing sudo Certbot Apache. Certbot will prompt you to enter your email address. Provide a valid email for important account notifications. Then, it will request you to agree to the terms of service. Follow the prompts to complete the agreement. Next, Certbot will ask if you want to share your email with the EFF. Choose your preference and proceed. Certbot will then ask for the domain names you want to secure. Enter your domain name or names, separated by commas. Next, Certbot will attempt to verify your ownership of the domain. Ensure that your domain's DNS settings point to your VPS's IP address. Once verification is successful, Certbot will issue the SSL certificate and modify your Apache configuration. After the process is complete, Certbot will inform you of the success. Test your SSL configuration by accessing your domain in a web browser using https://. You should see a padlock icon indicating a secure connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.